Qwen can also become a very good financial planner. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, I have a monthly salary of $2,000 in bank FDs. I get 3% interest. Prepare a financial plan for me so that I can save up to let's say, for example, $50,000. My regular expense is $500. So how do I achieve fast saving along with enough money for spending by keeping aside some emergency funds? So if I were to actually go ahead and do that now, it says to create a financial plan and to save $50,000 while managing your expenses. You can see that it calculates your monthly income, your monthly expense, and remaining amount for saving and investment is $1,500. So define your goal right here. So you can see that the emergency fund is aimed for at least 3 to 6 months of living expense as an emergency fund. So that's around $3,000 right here. And allocate your monthly saving from $1,500 after expenses right here. So now it says investment strategies. Conservative approach is using only bank FDs right here, where FD is future value and so forth. And it does the calculation right here, just like this. And then this is the monthly contribution time and so forth. And then it actually goes ahead and it says to achieve the 50,000 saving goal, I will actually need 2.6 years, and time frame moderate risk is 2 years, just like this. So this is how you can actually go ahead and generate out a financial plan as well in Qwen, and you can go ahead and track your incomes and expenses right here to change out the plan for you as well. I actually have to spend $3,000 next month. Calculate accordingly now. So if I were to actually go ahead and add it, it says if you have one-time expense of $3,000 next month, then you can see that this is what you have. It says analyze your current financial situation and so forth. And this is how it'll recalculate everything and give you a financial plan right there. And that is how you can go ahead and get financial plans inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.